The sneezes. I'm here for it. Let's taste. You can book me on Cameo. I do show. Excuse me. It's got a little hop in it. And I was like, what the fuck is this all about? And sure enough, it was for me. Excuse me. Kamala Harris is qualified. Excuse me, that tasted like beer. Oh, look at that. I'm a disgusting typical male. I burp when I drink beer. Win the lottery. That's and keep being badass on YouTube. Excuse me. It's fine for the evening. Excuse me. It's not bad, folks. I'd recommend tactical soap to anybody who will listen. Oh, I got the burps. Early 50s. Company Simply. They make the Simply Orange. Excuse me. Badass because holy shit. Limited time only, but that's. Oh, fuck. These. Excuse me, I farted. I guess. Like, okay. Excuse me, I farted. Ooh. Asperger's. Oh, fucking hell, I farted. While we're on that subject. See that? That's called blowing my trolls a kiss. Excuse me, I farted. Excuse me. That's what I think of the terrorists and the mass shooters. Whew. I farted and it kind of stinks, but that's what farts do, you know. Oh, speaking of grease. I'm gonna blow my trolls a kiss. Yeah, kiss my Asperger's. Blow my trolls a kiss. HarvardBanjos.com. Excuse me, I farted. Oh shit. Oh yeah, wet and juicy. Oh, goddamn. Dude, I'm blowing my trolls a kiss and now I'm paying for it. And so, dude, I just farted and holy crap. Oh, I just farted. Well, you're an asshole. Speaking of assholes, I just farted. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me, I farted. Yeah, excuse me, I farted. I farted. Ugh, God damn it, dude, I farted and it smells horrible. Crack. Ugh. Oh, that was weak. Sometimes I get like a really nasty long fart and I do the wet and juicy. Go throw it in the hamper and it missed. I was gonna do it later. Well, it's disgusting. I can see your skid marks. That was from Taco Tuesday. I farted and yeah, it wasn't pretty. Oh my god, I farted on camera. So offensive. Me.